anthill is the perfect city. They are using reused material to building the city. They have perfect indoor climate, good ventilation, and they have the right humidity inside the building. When we build, we must bring in nature again. I think a school is the perfect place where you can show the young generation how to build sustainable. The school in Laggarberg is built 1994 to 95. The main mission was to show that it's possible to rebuild an old school from 1933 and make an eco-cycle adapted school. Termite ventilation has been used since the pharaohs' time. They bring in the air through the ground and it lowered the temperature in the summertime. In the winter, so we preheat the incoming air and it saves us a lot of energy. The whole roof is a part of the ventilation system and it pushes up the hot air through the chimneys. So it speeds up the indoor airflow. It's possible to have a good ventilation in a building if you use the way nature works. There's a very healthy indoor climate in the school. The sick leave for the children and the teachers are lower in that school in many other schools. Healthy buildings is so important for the future. If we want to change the world, we need to do good examples. Then you can show people that this is possible.